Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, 16 Plus, or any iPhone that's on the latest iOS 18 update. So let's get started. So in order to turn Do Not Disturb off, first you need to check if you have Do Not Disturb off. So pull down the control menu by swiping your finger from the top like I did. And then the way to see if your phone is on Do Not Disturb is going to be under the focus setting. So if you tap on it, it's the very first setting. Right now, as you can see here, if I tap on it, Do Not Disturb is turned on. And I can also verify it's turned on when I see that icon right here that looks like the moon over here. And then in order to go ahead and turn that off, pull down the control menu, tap on it. Over here it says Do Not Disturb, and you're going to tap on it, and then it's going to say what focus, which means it's turned off. And that's how you can go ahead and turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.